In this video, we will work out some complicated problems of tangent and normal lines. Find the value of x for which the gradient of the tangent to the curve y equals -7x plus 1/8x to the fourth power is 9. From given information, gradient of a tangent line means f prime of x equals 9. So first of all, we need to figure out y prime equals -7x prime plus. We will change this into single power 1/8 x to the -4th power, then prime. The power rule of derivative x to the nth power prime equals n times x to the n minus 1th power. X prime equals 1. Constant number prime equals 0. For -7x prime, it's -7 because x prime is 1 plus coefficient bring down 1/8 times. Drop down this exponent, -4. X to the -4 minus 1 equals -5. -5th power equals -7. Reduce minus 1/2 x to the -5th power. Then we will make this -7 minus 1/2 x to the -5th power equals 9. To figure out this x, we will use equation solver. Get equal to 0 form. -7 minus 1/2 x to the -5th power minus 9 equals 0. By solver, x equals. We will put left side of equation into y1. Then math. Equation solver, enter. Alpha trace y1, enter. We will estimate the value for x. Try +10 first. Alpha, enter. Which means our estimated value is not good. So go back to equation solver. We will use -10 as the estimated x value. Alpha, enter. Answer is -0.5 or -1/2. So we get x equals -1/2. Let's go to B. Find the equation of the tangent at this point, which means x equals -1/2. Give your answer of the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, a greater than 0. We know the function y equals -7x plus 1/8x to the 4th power. At x equals -1/2. The calculator can work out the equation of a tangent line by JDC. tangent line at x equals -1/2. We put a function into y1, then graph. Second program, press 5 for tangent line. X equals -1 divided by 2. Enter. The equation of a tangent line at x equals -1/2 is y equals 9x plus 10. Y equals 9x plus 10. Since we need this form, make sure the coefficient of x is positive. 9x is already positive. We need to move y to the right side of this equal sign. Remember, cross the river change sign. 0 equals 9x minus y plus 10. You can write down 9x minus y plus 10 equals 0. This will be the equation of a tangent line at x equals -1/2. Let's go to C. Find the equation of the normal at this point. Give your answers of the form y equals mx plus b. We do know slope of a tangent line equals 9. Then slope of a normal line equals opposite reciprocal will be -1/9. We need x1, y1. x1 equals -1/2. y1 equals f of -1/2 equals. Go to calculator. Since we already put the function into y1, quit alpha trace y1, parentheses, -1 divided by 2. Enter. Math, enter. y1 equals 11/2. We will use the point slope form. Y minus y1 equals slope x minus x1. -1/2. 11/2 is x1, y1. Slope is -1/9. Therefore, y minus 11/2 equals -1/9 times x minus -1/2 is plus 1/2. Since we are looking for y equals mx plus b form, we need to do the distributive property equals -1/9x. -1/9 times 1/2. Let's go to calculator. -1 divided by 9 times 1 divided by 2. Enter. Math, enter. -1/18. Then we need to isolate y on the left side. Cross the river, change sign, plus 11/2. Then y equals -1/9x. -1/18 plus 11/2 plus 11/2. Enter. Math, enter. Change into fraction, 49/9. This is the equation of a normal line at x equals -1/2. Let's go to question 6. the gradient of tangent to the curve y equals kx squared minus 4x plus 5 at the point P 3b is -1. Gradient of tangent means f prime of x equals -1. At the point P3b, which means we are given this x coordinate. So we have f prime of 3 equals -1. When you have this coordinate, we can write down b equals f of 3. For f of x equals kx squared minus 4x plus 5. F prime of x equals kx squared prime minus 4x prime plus 5 prime. Power rule of derivative x to the nth power prime equals n x to the n minus 1th power. So we have k times 2x minus 4 plus 0. Simplify 2kx minus 4. Then f prime of 3 equals 2k times 3 minus 4. Do the substitution. Equals 6k minus 4. From the given information, we do know f prime of 3 equals -1. So we have 6k minus 4 equals -1. Solve for k. Add for both sides. 6k equals 3. Then divided by 6 both sides. K equals 1/2. After we figured out k, we do know b equals f of 3 equals k is 1/2. X is 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 5. 1/2 times 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 5. Then enter. Math, enter. -5/2. -5/2.